bill. Which store that you are going to buy? Toy store. Then serial number, item purchased, quantity, price as well as amount. Shall we move? Are you having rough note with you children?
Ma'am, show the bill, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now, yes, listen there. Yes. Now you are going to buy, listen children, where and all that I'm marking, that only you are going to buy, okay? Now you are going to purchase flour. Quantity, children listen, quantity 3. What happened, Noma? Harshan? Make one tabular column. Please children, make one tabular column. First one is serial number. Make one tabular column. First one is serial number. Second one is item purchased. Third one is quantity. Fourth one is price. Fifth one is amount. Okay, shall we move? Yes, shall we move now? So now the first item is, Janvi, what do you want? Can you unmute and tell me there, Janvi? Children, do you want to see that bill again? Previous one?
Yeah,
Do you
ma'am.
want?
No, ma'am.
Children, I asked you to check.
You have to see a bill, ma'am.
Do you want to see? Do you want to see the bill again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, only you have to maintain the first column is serial number. Don't write this and all kana under the notebook, ruler, eraser. Don't write these items. Now you are going to buy new items. Okay. So you have to make this first column alone. The first row alone you have to fulfill in your notebook. Serial number. First column, the heading is serial number. Second column heading is item purchased. Third one is quantity. Fourth one is price. Fifth one is amount. That's all. Now I'm going to show what are the items now you are going to buy. Are you clear? Children, are you clear? Shall we move now?
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
go to shop to buy our things now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Ready? Good. So if I ask you
Yes,
to buy the
ma'am.
first one flour, so where you have to write the first one. Got it? Start with first. Then item, which one you are going to buy? Flour is the first one. Quantity 3. What is the price? The one flour. What is the cost of one flour? 5 rupees. Like that you have to write. Are you clear? Shall we move? Shall we move, dears? Is there any doubt in that?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
dear.
No doubts. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. Okay, now first item is serial number 1 is flour. Flour 3. Okay. Aeroplane. So the second item is serial number 2 is aeroplane. Quantity 2. The cost of one aeroplane is 70. Mind it. Okay. The cost of one aeroplane is 70. Here also the cost of one flower is 5. Please mention in the price. Under the price, you have to write cost of one what? Flower is 5. Like this, cost of one aeroplane is 17. So what is the amount? So if it is cost of 2, you have to simply multiply. Same manner, cost of 3 flowers. Simply you have to multiply by 3. Are you clear, dears? Then third item is your bag. So that is 1. That is a serial number 3. Now we are going to make one bill, children. Okay. So can you make a bill for them? Only 3 items I've given there. So you have to make. Well, come to next class, you have to bring that one. Okay, no issue. Take your own time. No issues there. So find the total also. Okay, children. Is there any doubt? The first item is, mind it, the first item is flower. Second item is aeroplane. I need bill, my dear. I don't want any answers as it is. Okay, I need bill. So what is the shop of that one? Toy shop. So what is the heading of that bill? Toy shop. So without fill, you have to mention over the bill. That is the toy shop. Title of the bill is toy shop. Okay, children. So welcome to next class. I'm going to see. Please, each and everyone, you have to prepare the bill and show that now. Okay, shall we move for that EVS revision now? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Will you prepare?
Ma'am,
Children,
today what exam?
don't you know that one? What exam for you today?
Ma'am, can I show the bill, ma'am?
Is the end of part I'll ask you, dear. End of
Hindi exam, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. Yes. Okay, now we are going to do our revision now. Yes. Get ready with your answers now. Fill in the blanks. A pilot should have dash to be able to fly a plane. Please place your answers in the chat box.
License, ma'am.
Very good. What is that?
Ma'am.
License.
License, ma'am.
Welcome to the second one.
We can use map to locate the places, ma'am.
Very good. License.
Map, ma'am. Second is map.
Second one is maps.
Map, ma'am.
Okay. Third one. The dash keeps our savings safely and offers us loans. Very good. Bank.
Bank, ma'am.
Good, children.
Bank. Ma'am, bank.
Keeps. No, they ask us. A dash keeps our savings safely and offers us loans.
Banker.
Very good. Banker.
ma'am. Banker.
Banker. The fourth one, dash are simple signs and represents an important landmarks on the map. What is the answer? Simple sign. Very good, children. Very
Simple,
good.
ma'am.
Simple.
Full. Ma'am, symbol.
Symbols.
Symbol, ma'am.
Very good. Symbols. Fifth one.
Firefighter.
Dash.
Ma'am, firefighter. Ma'am, firefighter. Ma'am, firefighters, ma'am.
Okay, give your answers in the chat
Can I
box.
tell the answer?
Raven Sharma, please can't you place your answers in the chat box? Please do that now. Yes. Sixth one, a dash is a miniature model of the earth. Please, very good, Syed. Globe. Tejashni, good. Very good. The next one, seventh one, dash doctors. So what is the answer? Doctors provide treatment for ailments related to a particular organ or organ system of our body. Who's that? Specialist. Very good. Very good. Eighth one, the earth is dash in shape. What is the shape
Sir,
of the
ma'am.
earth? Spherical in shape. Very good. Spherical in shape.
ma'am.
Very good. The ninth one, and dash is a person who designs buildings and houses.
Architect.
Architect. Very good.
Architect, ma'am.
Please, children, place your answers in the chat box. Then only that is easy for you to recollect your spellings.
Atlas, ma'am.
Architect. And dash is
Yes, ma'am.
of maps.
Ma'am,
Atlas. Very good. Atlas. Good children. Okay. 10th one. 11th one. People work to earn
Money, ma'am. Money. Ma'am, money.
money.
Occupation. Ma'am, occupation.
No. People work to earn their. Is there anyone correct answers I need?
Money, ma'am.
Not money.
Livelihood. Livelihood. Salary. Ma'am, livelihood, ma'am.
Very good. Someone has given their livelihood.
Livelihood.
Very good.
Livelihood.
Livelihood. That is a correct answer. Livelihood. Good children. Those who have given the livelihood answers. Very good. Lively, not L-Y, L-I-V-E-L-I-H-O-O-D. Okay. 12th one, a map can be used to give dash. What? What is the answer for that one?
Landmark.
To people. Landmark? Is there anyone? Not. Very good. Someone has given correct answer there. Someone has given directions.
Ma'am.
Directions.
Directions, ma'am.
Very good. Directions. Very good, Tejaswini. Very good. Directions. Okay, very good. The activity they do to earn money is called. Very good. Occupation.
Occupation,
Okay?
ma'am.
Very good. This is the occupation.
Occupation,
The
ma'am.
activity.
Ma'am,
To what are the
occupation.
activities? Just like as a doctor or carpenter, whatever, any work, any helpers. So, for earning their livelihood, that profession, that is called the occupation. Got it? 14th one, dash are well-known structures and buildings in the city.
Landmark. Landmark, ma'am.
Very good,
Landmark.
excellent. Very good, children, excellent. But you're not following my words. What I asked you to do that one, but you're not doing that. What I asked you to place your answers in the chat box, isn't it? I need that kind of obey only, dears. Yes, thank you so much. Then 15th one, occupations are dash.
Department, ma'am.
Again, I'm asking you, dear Kailash. Occupations are, please place your answers. Then only easy for you to get your spellings easy now, write your exams. Interdependent. Interdependent. Okay, shall we move the next one? Choose the correct answer here. A police officer ensures, you know well, isn't it? Half of the answer is there only. Law and order in the city. Good. So law and order in the city. Good. Good, dear. Very good. C1. Okay. Okay. Second one, the natural landmark feature is dash. Mountain. Good. Okay. These are buildings and bridge park are what kind of landmarks? I need answers. No, no. Okay. Which one is you have given is correct only. Natural landmark feature is mountain. What about the building, bridge, park? The man-made. Very good, Guru Prasad. Man-made Landmarks. Very good. Suppose for your exam, instead of asking by like this, if they ask man-made landmarks, so simply you can do like that. Good. Yes, third one, a dash means taps and pipes.
Plumber, ma'am.
Very good. Who's that? Plumber. Okay. A dash is an instrument used to find the
Compass, ma'am.
directions.
Compass.
Compass.
Ma'am, compass. Compass.
Very good.
Compass, ma'am.
Compass. Very good. Compass. Fifth one, the main cause of child labor is healthy, wealthy, poverty, or none.
None. Well, none, ma'am.
Is it none?
None, ma'am.
Don't you know the meaning of poverty?
Poverty, ma'am. Poverty.
Not poverty, poverty.
Poverty.
Poverty. Poor. Poverty
Poverty,
means
ma'am.
poor. Okay? Because of the
Ma'am,
poor
poverty.
only, they used to
Ma'am,
go for
poverty.
the job. Yes, poverty. Good. Not a none, dear. That is a poor parent. That is poor
Ma'am, poverty.
income for them. That's the reason parents are sending them for earning. So that only shows that poverty. Next one. Sixth one. If you see this arrow mark, what it represents, what it indicates.
What?
Up arrow, right arrow, left arrow, down arrow. What it indicates?
Up arrow, ma'am.
That means go straight, up arrow. Well, come to the seventh one. Dash are not easy to carry from place to place.
Arrow.
Very good. What is that? Globe. Second one. Globe. B one.
Globe.
Globe. Eighth one. The law of our country bans child labor. The law of country dash child labor. Is it encourages or bans? Motivates?
Dance, ma'am.
Bans. They used to
Bans.
restrict them,
Not
isn't it?
dance.
Bans.
Bans.
Restrict the child labor. Bans. Very good. Very good, children. Okay. Here, dash manage traffic and make sure that
Traffic
the
policeman. Traffic policeman.
who manages? Traffic police.
Traffic police. Traffic policeman, ma'am.
Okay.
Traffic policeman.
Please, children, please mute yourself. While giving directions, people use go straight, take U-turn, take left, then
All
right.
of the above, ma'am. Take U-turn. Take U-turn.
No,
All of the above, ma'am.
all the above. Okay,
All the above, ma'am.
So all these
All the
are
above.
given the directions only, all the above. Okay, 11th one. Children have right to free and compulsory education till the age of dash years. 16, 18,
18 years, ma'am. 18 years. 14, ma'am. 14, ma'am.
Very good.
18 years, ma'am.
14
Ma'am,
years.
14.
Don't
14
forget,
years, ma'am.
14 years is the correct answer. 14. Understand? So children have right. Government has declared that children have right to free of education and compulsory education till the age of 14 years. Okay? Not up to 18 years. Okay. Every map shows some dash. Fast, children. Every map shows some dash.
Landmark. Landmark. Ma'am,
Very good.
landmark.
Landmarks. Next one, a carpenter repeats dash works.
Pipe, ma'am. Pipe. Furniture, ma'am. Pipe, ma'am.
Furniture. What children? Who used to make the pipe? Plumber. Please read the question carefully. 14th one, always the north direction is at top of the map.
Map, ma'am.
Very good. So north direction, that is the top of the map, isn't it? Compass rose. Map
Yes.
only. We can see compass rose. 15th one, dash after
Thanks,
us
ma'am.
loans
Thanks.
whenever we banks.
Thanks, ma'am.
Very good. Banks only offers our loans. Okay, very good. Okay, that last one. Okay. So this is the map, okay? Is the map flat or round?
Flat.
Flat,
Flat, ma'am.
only.
Flat.
Flat. Very good. Flat. Okay. What does it mean to have a bird's eye view? Because we used to say that one, that is a bird's eye view only, isn't it? Why? Because the map is a drawing of a place from above. Because
Line of the
map
place
is
from
drawing
above.
of a place from above.
Ma'am, time was 1 o'clock, 12
Yes, ma?
minutes.
Okay, just okay, come the last one.
Ma'am,
What
your
are the
voice
four
is not
directions on a
visible.
map called? What are the four directions on a map called?
North, south,
Very good. North,
North, South America, ma'am. East, West. Ma'am, North,
this
South,
one is North
East,
America. Very good,
South,
children.
East, West. Ma'am, North, South, East, West.
Very good.
Sir, ma'am.
Very good. Third one is the map on this page shows the large area of land.
North America.
Very good. North America. Good.
Ma'am, North America.
Very good.
North America.
Okay, children.